Okay. 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 Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. Dandavad Pranam, all Vaishnavas, Guru and Vaishnavas, and all the devotees. So I want to speak few words about Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satmad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, who inspired my heart how to speak about him, because Vaishnavir Kripa Bina Vaishnav Tattva Bolite Nare. Without this mercy of Vaishnav, no one can speak about him. Ishwarir Kripale Saite Jahare Ishwar Tattva Bujibare Pare. In the same way, Vaishnavir Kripa, one who receives the mercy of Vaishnav, then he can speak about him. That given example, we worship the Ganges with the water of the Ganges. That is Sanskrit word Ganga Jali Ganga Puja. In the same way, we want to glorify about him only his causeless mercy. Om Ajnana Timirandrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vai Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah. Vancha Kalpataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Patitanang Pavanebho Vaishnavebho Namo Namah. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namah. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priya Vai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattvatai Namo Namah. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and my Sannyas Guru Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Sila Guru Ganda Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasri Srimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. Today is very super excellent, auspicious day. Today is called also Sayan Ekadashi and also Punah Ratha Yatra. Lord, he is taking rest. That means Lord Jagannath, today he is taking rest for this. Today is called Sayan Ekadashi. And also Lord Jagannath. Today he is returned back Gundicha Mandir to Jagannath temple. And simultaneously, super excellent, also auspicious day with the appearance day of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhumad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. So, just I want to speak few words about him and his life history and contribution. Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhumad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. He was born in high class Brahman family, that is called Chakravarti family. And in Bankura, in West Bengal, district Bankura, he was born in the village of Sitarampur. In this day of Sayan Ekadashi, 1926, and before he joined in our Gaudiya Vaishnava, he was very intelligent and scholars person. He was school teacher in this village, and everybody known him. He was a very excellent and teacher, and everybody gave respect to him and in his school. And but when he met with our Gaudiya Vaishnavas, then his mind changed, and he mostly used to come in Midnapur on temple. I think that temple is named what is called Madan Mohan something. This just I forget that temple name. And he used to come this temple, and from his childhood so much absorbed with Krishna, and he learned all shastras, and he was very excellent and intelligent and person. Then he then he took shelter lotus feet of Bhakti Doit Madhav Goswami Maharaj, who is the foremost disciple of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhumad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. He completely surrendered lotus feet of Gurudev Bhakti Doit Madhav Goswami Maharaj. Then Bhakti Doit Madhav Goswami Maharaj also gave him Brahmachari Vesh, Harinam, and so Diksha. In this day also Sayan Ekadashi. In this Sayan Ekadashi day he was born, and the Sayan Ekadashi day he also took Diksha, Harinam, Diksha from his Guru Nityalila Vishnupad Ashtutara Bhakti Doit Madhav Goswami Maharaj. And he in his Brahmachari ashram, he learned all the Gaudiya Shastra Siddhanta, and within few years he learned all our Gaudiya Tattva Siddhanta. Mostly he associated with all the disciples of Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. He got the opportunity to serve all our Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada's and disciples, and he received mercy from them. Because without this mercy of Vaishnava Kripa, no one can enter in his spiritual life. I like Raghunath Das Goswami. He received mercy from Haridas Thakur, and Haridas Thakur later he got association of Jadunandan Acharya. He received Diksha Mantra from Jadunandan Acharya, and by the causeless mercy of Jadunandan Acharya, he also got mercy and from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he associate with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all eternal associates. Sarvadamodar, Rai Ramananda, and Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, and etc. For this Raghunath Das Goswami, he also glorified about his Gurudev, Nama Seshtang Manopi Sachiputra Sarupang Rupang Tatsagrajam Urupuring Mathuring Gustavatim Radha Kundam Girivaramo Radhika Madhavasam Prapto Jassa Pathita Kripaya Sigurutang Natosmin. In the same way, Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and he got association of all our Prabhupada's disciples and served their lotus feet. For this regard, he also received Diksha mantra from Bhaktivedanta Madhav Goswami Maharaj, and Bhaktivedanta Madhav Goswami Maharaj gave his brahmachari's name Narottam Das Brahmachari. And then always he observed to serve Guru and Vaishnava. And I direct also met with him. And when I used to travel with Gurudev in Vrindavan and or Navadvip or somewhere, and most of the time we also met with him. And especially in our Rup Sanatana Gaudiya Math in Vrindavan, in the disappearance day of Rupa Goswami Pad, and he used to come in our Rup Sanatana Gaudiya Math, and very nicely he spoke about Rup Goswami Pad's life history and his contribution. And so much love and affection with Lord, our beloved Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And I saw how Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he was very humble. And because Vaishnava, Krishna jate gun and bhaktir sanchari. In Chaitanya Charitamrita also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained all the qualification of Krishna manifested in the heart of the pure devotee. Kripalu, Akrudadoha, Sattva, Samosar, Badana, Kobi, Daksha, Mauni, and 26 types of qualifications. Vaishnava, good qualifications. In all the good qualifications we saw in the heart of Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. And what happened? This Haribol?
Drop the.
Pardon?
The internet. Check. Okay. Now we're back.
Haribol, connection is not good. Oh my God.
Okay.
Haribol. Okay. So, actually, I am in Bengal. Here also, internet connection is not so good, very poor. Anyhow, I want to speak few words about him. Continue. How Bhakti Vigyan, again also, por favor. Again also, Zoom.
Maybe it's better to use mine.
Huh? Okay.
Saying that they have Wi-Fi downstairs with it.
Huh? Haribol. Very difficult.
Connection.
Haribol. Eh?
She's saying
Don't
that
have good
downstairs.
connection.
Huh?
She has a Wi-Fi. It's good connection, so we can move downstairs. And then
You can go downstairs.
and then nice connection.
Krishna, Krishna. You know that.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Actually, here connection is very poor. Sometimes going up and down, and today also raining. Oh my God. Hare Krishna. You can go downstairs. You think?
Okay.
Hmm?